I can see many people having trouble to run 20 CRM in their Coolify instance. And here is the solution, once for all. If you go here in this link, I copy and paste the link down below. This is my GitHub Gits. And here we have this Docker Composer. So let me show you. You need to go here, select all, go back in your Coolify instance. Of course, if you don't have Coolify installed in your system, let me know. I can make another video about this. You can click add resource, then Docker Composer empty, and here copy and paste. Now, here I'm not changing anything. I left everything by default. Save. And here actually I am almost done. What you should do though is change the environment variables. You should go here. I like the developer experience. So you can go here and example, change the Google keys, Microsoft. I don't know, depends, but especially the SMTP side. But for this example, I don't want to change anything. So let's assuming that I have done that. I can come here and then click deploy. I'm going to speed up this process and show you that everything is going to be fine. Now, as you can see, Coolify started the 3 containers. I can see them in background, but still Postgres is still healthy, but the worker is not running yet. It's created here, but it's not starting yet. Let's wait another minute. Okay. And now also the worker is started. Let me close this window and you can see that all of them are working. Now, I'm not going inside the logs. Show you that it's working everything out of the box. If I click here, you can see that now we have the CRM. So I can go continue and I need to tap the mail and do the first sign up. But from here, everything is working. Now, depends of the performance of your virtual private server or your machine. But what you should do is go back here and check in 20 if the migration is being completed. If it's not, the worker is still working. For this is everything. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Bye.